What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Alright, today we're going to be unboxing and installing, taking a closer look at these LASFIT floor mats. First of all, I want to thank LASFIT for sending these out and giving it a test. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so a couple things about these LASFIT custom floor mats here. They're made out of thermoplastic elastomer, so what we know as TPE as for short, and they're odorless. So right out of the box, I couldn't smell anything at all. And one of the things is that they're pretty flexible, and so as you're trying to fit this in the floor well here, they're pretty easy to work with, unlike some of the competitors out there where they're a little bit more stiff. So something that's also pretty nice about these is, if you look at the sides here, they have a nice lip to the sides to where they protect, all the way up and around the floor area of your vehicle. So, which is nice. And something different that I haven't seen on some of the other floor mats is this little tab that tucks behind some of these panels right here, so they keep the floor mat in place. So this is the driver's side. There's a tab right here, and then right down in here is another tab that you would put behind this panel. Now these floor mats are very good and easily cleanable. So basically all you do is take them out, hose them off. If you got a light debris or spill back here, or for some of the tougher messes that you can have back here, is use a light brush and some citrus soapy water type solvent. Don't use any type of harsh chemicals on anything like these floor mats, or any other floor mats for that matter. So easy to clean up. Simply just pull the mats out and hose them off. One thing I didn't notice on these floor mats, or any type of Velcro material to help for them to not move around, slip around, or anything against the existing carpet. But they do have these little rubber, little spiky things down here to help keep the mat in place. So from what I've noticed so far, they don't really move around at all anyway. So, but either way, they're still really nice. Now the one mat I'm most excited about is the cargo mat. And some of the other manufacturers don't come with the rear cargo mat as a matching set to the front and the back seats. So LASFIT offers that, and it's great, because one thing that I was definitely looking for was an area right in here where it has some kind of break. That way when you lift this lower privacy cargo area, it doesn't shift or anything like that. It has a natural break there to be able to access, again, the lower cargo area, and the whole mat doesn't shift around. So that's really nice. Really excited about that. That's definitely a nice feature. Something else to point out is the texture of the mat. For both the front, the back seat, and of course the cargo area, it has a really nice texture. Appears to be a very non-slip surface. So if you put something back here, it won't get shift it around or anything, or even in the footwell for your feet. Your feet won't slide around as you're driving, so which is really nice and convenient. I'll put a link down in the description below for these LASFIT floor mats. And because the best part about them is that they're only $130 for the front and the back seat, specifically for the Model Y and the Model 3. So if you're looking for great quality floor mats, I would definitely look into this product here. It's a really nice product for only $130, and you get the front and the back seat. And even for $180, you get the rear cargo mat too. So some other manufacturers, you can't even get the front and the back seat for $200. So to get the front and the back seat for $130 and to add the rear cargo mat for $180 total, man, that's obviously under $200 from some other manufacturers for very similar quality. So highly recommend these LASFIT floor mats. So again, want to definitely thank LASFIT for sending these out to me to take a look at them. Extremely happy with this. Definitely would recommend this to everybody. So really nice quality floor mat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of the LASFIT floor mats. And again, I'll leave a link down in the description below so you guys can pick some up for yourself. And with that, go ahead and catch you guys in the next one.